Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 28th March 2025. The central government has directed all companies receiving goods or services from micro and small enterprises to submit a half-yearly return to the MCA if payments exceed 45 days from the acceptance or deemed acceptance date. The return must include 1. The outstanding payment amounts and 2. Reasons for the delay. The Reserve Bank of India, under Section 35A of the Banking Regulation Act 1949, has issued a master direction consolidating and updating guidelines for regional rural banks. It outlines prudential norms for capital adequacy, risk management, and permissible transactions. The direction ensures all instructions are in one place, with modifications for clarity and compliance, and future activities will align with RBI regulations and guidelines. The National Stock Exchange's plan to come out with an initial public offering still hangs in the balance as the Securities and Exchange Board of India has highlighted several deficiencies in its latest communication to the exchange. The regulator, in a comprehensive letter, has spelled out all the areas that the country's top bourse has to address before it is IPO ready. SEBI has given the bourse up to 24 months to address these issues before it can seek approval for its long-delayed maiden offering. Over the past 2 weeks, the insurance industry has witnessed some of the largest deals in the financial sector, with a cumulative deal value exceeding Rs 38,000 crore. The biggest among them is the Bajaj Group's acquisition of Alliance's stake in their 2 insurance joint ventures for Rs 24,180 crore. Additionally, Patanjali entered the insurance sector by acquiring a stake in Magma General Insurance from Adar Poonawalla. IndusInd International Holdings also completed its acquisition of Reliance Capital, which owns 2 insurers, Reliance Nippon Life Insurance and Reliance General Insurance. The government is considering collecting an amount equivalent to 2% of a worker's income from platform aggregators as contribution towards a proposed pension scheme for platform-based gig workers. All major platform aggregators such as Swiggy, Zomato, Uber and Blinkit, among others, are likely to contribute towards the pension of the gig workers that they employ. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India will conduct the CA final exams 3 times a year starting in 2025, aligning with the exam frequency for intermediate and foundation courses. This change, aimed at increasing flexibility for students, includes exams in January, May and September. The Information Systems Audit course assessment will also follow a thrice-a-year schedule. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.